You searched how to buy shares of PHNX Group Holdings. PHNX Group is a UK life insurance and pensions consolidator listed on LSE PLC with ticker PHNX.L, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You will need an online broker to buy shares. I use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PHNX.L to find the stock. Locate the PHNX Group Holdings listing on LSE PLC to ensure you have the correct asset. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the name and the PHNX.L ticker to make sure this is the right stock. To invest, choose the buy action and enter the amount you want to invest. Then carefully review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio view once the trade is executed. Check the video description for the example eToro link if you want to follow the same process.